Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stepping into a world where luxury meets freedom, where craftsmanship meets technology, and where the open road transforms into a 5-star hotel suite. This is the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026, a machine that doesn't just take you places, it elevates the very meaning of travel. Let's begin. Sparkle's introduction, the future of luxury travel. Imagine a vehicle so refined, so silent, and so powerful that every journey feels like floating on air. Rolls-Royce has redefined luxury cars for over a century. But for 2026, they have stepped into a new territory. A territory where comfort, power, and elegance come together in a massive, magnificent motorhome. The result? A rolling masterpiece equipped with a 710 horsepower V12 engine, handcrafted interiors, a 2-kilowatt solar roof, an intelligent climate system, and living spaces, designed with the same philosophy as the Rolls-Royce Phantom. This project represents the dream of ultimate freedom. Travel without compromise. Fire Segment 1 exterior design. Power meets presence. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome looks like a mansion on wheels, sculpted with the same elegance that made the Phantom and Ghost icons of luxury. Its massive grille sits proudly at the front, surrounded by cutting-edge LED lighting and subtle aerodynamic lines that guide wind effortlessly. This motorhome doesn't scream for attention, commands it. The glossy white finish, chrome highlights, and high roof profile create a perfect blend of luxury and dominating road presence. Whether you look at it from the front, the sides, or the beautifully sculpted rear, every angle feels like a piece of modern art. Fire Segment 2, the powerhouse, 6.75 V12 engine. Now let's talk about the heart. The legendary 6.75-liter Twin-Turbo V12, pumping out 710 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. Despite its enormous size, the motorhome accelerates smoothly and silently, as if you're gliding on a cushion of air. The 8-speed automatic transmission works perfectly with Rolls-Royce's all-wheel drive system, giving this giant unmatched grip, stability, and confidence on every surface. Highways, mountains, long-distance touring. Nothing feels difficult. This is not a motorhome that travels. This is a motorhome that glides. High Voltage Segment 3, smart solar and energy management. Rolls-Royce didn't stop at luxury and performance. They made the 2026 motorhome smarter and cleaner by adding a 2 kilowatts integrated solar roof. This solar system powers many onboard features, reducing dependence on fuel and generators. During long journeys, a smart energy management unit balances solar power, battery storage, and engine output. This means heavy checkmark, fewer stops, heavy checkmark, silent nights, heavy checkmark, and uninterrupted luxury. Even when you're in the middle of a desert or high up in the mountains. House with Garden Segment 4, Phantom level interior luxury. Now we step inside, and this is where magic happens. As the automatic door opens, you're welcomed by warm ambient LED lights, handcrafted leather surfaces, and polished wood veneer that reflects true Rolls-Royce artistry. The living area is designed like a premium hotel suite. The seating is plush, soft, and sculpted to perfection. 2 massive 15-inch infotainment displays provide entertainment and navigation, while a separate rear lounge area gives passengers their own private space. The sleeping quarters are just as luxurious. The bed has hotel-grade cushioning, smooth fabric finishes, and intelligent climate control that adjusts temperature automatically to create the perfect sleeping environment. Every stitch, every button, every light, everything is designed to create an atmosphere of absolute serenity. Headphone Segment 5, technology and comfort systems. The motorhome is equipped with the most advanced tech Rolls-Royce has ever fitted. Heavy checkmark voice-controlled systems. Heavy checkmark AI navigation assistant. Heavy checkmark multi-zone climate control. Heavy checkmark smart sensors for safety. Heavy checkmark connected vehicle monitoring. Heavy checkmark automatic leveling suspension. Heavy checkmark low noise cabin insulation. You don't just sit in this motorhome, you experience it. Whether you are relaxing, sleeping, working, or simply watching the road pass by, the cabin keeps you isolated from vibration, noise, and stress. This is the true magic carpet ride, now reinvented for long-distance travel. Crescent Moon Segment 6, the night experience. At night, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome turns into a luxury hotel suite on wheels. Soft purple ambient lights glow through the cabin. The outside LED accents create a beautiful aura around the vehicle, making it look like a futuristic palace, parked under the stars. Whether you're camped beside a lake, resting in the mountains, or parked along a quiet highway, the motorhome offers peace, comfort, and luxury that no other vehicle can match. Rocket Segment 7. Who is this motorhome for? This motorhome is not for everyone. It is designed exclusively for heavy checkmark high-end travelers, heavy checkmark business elites, heavy checkmark celebrities, heavy checkmark luxury tourers, heavy checkmark people who demand comfort without compromise. It is built for those who want freedom plus luxury plus power in one unforgettable package. Checkered flag final verdict, a new era of luxury on wheels. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is more than a vehicle. It is a lifestyle, a statement, an experience. With its V12 power, phantom-level interior, smart solar technology, and handcrafted perfection, this motorhome represents the peak of luxury travel. It does not just transport you, it transforms every journey into a memory worth keeping forever. This is luxury without limits. This is Rolls-Royce,